ready.
What are you doing?
Eating cake batter for ham.
What? Is that silly?
Yeah, eating cake batter is fun. But we don't want to eat pancake.
You don't want pancakes? What do you want?
Cake batter.
That's silly.